Once upon a time there was a heavy mountain rain, raining, raining, pouring, pouring down from the sky. Soon a little mountain river started flowing by. Out then came a baby bear just looking for some fun. Oh, he said, this river is a wonderful sight. Surely I can catch a fish for dinner here tonight. Though he looked and looked again, not one fish did he see. So he took a little drink, then drank a little more. Drinking from his little paw, the rain began to pour. There's got to be a fish for me, the little bear was sure. He looked and looked again, but there were no fish yet. Only just a baby bear getting soaking wet. Raining, raining, pouring, pouring, never letting up. If I had an umbrella, I'd find a fish, he said. Then he took a great big leap and put it on his head.